Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the Google Assistant language on any POCO phone. Now to do that, just open the Google app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Google Assistant. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Languages. Now from here, you can select up to 2 languages. Now from here, the first language is English. You can change the first language and select any other language and tap on Add a language to add the second language. Just like that. And this is how you can change the Google Assistant language on any POCO phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.